Bryce Whitty here from Technibble.com, and today I'm going to share with you some extra ways to make more money with your managed service business. So this video is a bit more for those who already have a few paying clients, paying them on an ongoing basis. So to begin, you should have at least 5 revenue streams from each client, and even that's a little bit on the low side. Selling to your existing clients is probably one of the easiest ways to increase your revenue, as they already know you and trust you. Most MSPs have a fairly standard stack of monitoring, patching, antivirus, and so on. But there are so many more services that you could be selling. I'll rattle off a few. So on top of your usual stack, you could offer something like managed firewalls, anti-spam, voice over IP, handling their internet connection, reselling and getting recurring revenue from Office 365, end user training, websites, hosting SSL, hardware lifecycle management, password management, IP cameras, security awareness training, network threat assessments, and mobile device management. These are just a few, but by adding more services, it's actually possible to double your MSP's revenue without adding a single client. If you're having trouble choosing what to add, it's generally a good idea to focus on the ones that require little to no effort to add to your existing clients. The thing to keep in mind that every client has a certain amount of overhead, like administration, so it's generally better to make more money from existing clients, and it's definitely much easier. So think about what other services you can offer, and if you don't have to add it for free in your existing stack. Most clients expect to pay more if they're getting more. That's it for this video. I hope it gives you some ideas, and thank you for watching.